Yo, Bafetu, it's your boy Goldie, and I'm back again with another video. As you know me, Gilchait, or I'm going to be loyal to y'all and serve you content batlang, you know. So yeah, today I'm going to visit a friend of mine. He got a project car. He's working on something. If you see the vision, you'll see the car. It's very special because I know the car before it looked the way it looked now. So yeah, now we're going to visit him. As you can see, I'm driving, heading towards him. So yeah, Bafetu, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Just stands content, Bafetu. So yeah, thank you. So Fede,
8,000.
please introduce yourself to the channel. What's the name of your car?
Sure, guys. Liwali Skeja. Ke driver 1.6 Polo Playa Millennium. Libzola Transi ke player number 16, gents.
What made you choose the Polo 1.6 Millennium? Out of all the cars you could have bought, why did you choose this one?
Ke thotse inspiration from Othengo ba re ke Ntlantla. Na vaga Polo Playa le na e blue. So ka ibona ka bana le interest ka vaga ithola mo market. I think it was 2022. Yeah, ka ithola ka vaga yona. Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna ask you how long have you owned the car?
From 2022, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's been 5 years, gents.
How's been the journey?
Yeah, since from 5 years ago, vaga yona Trantena the flop. You know a VW, especially the mechanic. If I shop.
Question 3, what have you done on the car? Walk us through the modifications, what you have changed on the interior, exterior, suspension,
More suspension. You tune the front suspension, your CVs, your ball joint, rubber bush, the armor, little V armor. I change the shocks from your normal shocks to the shocks that Golf one. I modify the sleeve, the coil over sleeve. The sleeve, yeah, coil over sleeve.
So, interior wise, is there any modification, or like
interior, it's a surprise. It's a surprise. I get to the seat from some other owner of mine go pashly. So what's the reaper? We just pay all. I don't forget any seats. Sally stock standard.
Is the engine still completely standard? The Polo is known for being a reliable car, but what have you done? Anything to the engine or exhaust to improve the performance or the sound of the car?
Yeah, exhaust ke change the exhaust and then all le ngwe ke nyaka ifaka free flow exhaust. So no change tailpiece ko mrao, tailpipe ko mrao fe. Normally yona it le di tailpipe, mara ke change the tailpipe ko mrao just to get that MP9 system.
But there's something we missed today. Also, clarity like the exterior, the rim.
Oh, the more exterior, gentlemen. You're going to paint the car as you can see, or the project, and then I'll tell you pale white. After pale white, we're going for OEM. One no rana the 16540, ka di Hawkeye me, ka di Hawkeye, ka TSW rim.
How much have you spent on building the car so far? Because you can see or like also like everything, but give us at least a glimpse or like how much have you spent to the car?
Estimation. Cause I get check my estimation. When I check, I can like about 26, 27. Excluding paint job. Regular your rim, your tires, sleeve, sound, radio, suspension. Yeah.
What do you think about the Polo 1.6 as a daily drive? How does it feel to drive every day? Is it a comfortable, reliable, and economical, or has maintaining an older car become expensive?
Yeah, if you can say maintaining an older car becomes expensive because of you know, and then what's it will go dealership as a launcher. So you have to fix each and every problem that you get on the car. Remember, the qualities are from 1996 to 2000. So each and every problem that you're going to face, you have to fix up until ever grand the.
So, but is it fine to drive it like as a daily car, as a daily drive?
Depending on motor, like I get koli ya ka or wena o driver o ya kae destination dilonyana tse.
So far, what is your favorite modification out of everything you've done on the car?
My favorite modification, obviously, it's a drop sack.
It's just like dropping.
Yeah, dropping the car on a low profile tires with the rim. Yeah,
that's
my favorite.
Okay. What has been the biggest challenge with this Polo? Every build has its own problems. What has been the biggest headache of building this 1.6?
The biggest problem here, it was a engine fault. It was an engine fault, nebula di coil. So I had to rewire the car from the start. Only to find out the tap, the chile, and stuff like that. So, can't the problem so far.
Is the build finished yet? Obviously.
Not yet.
The build is not finished.
Yeah.
So, Garbut or like build the house,
it's complete. Once you see the sunroof, you know what the build is complete. Yeah, once the sunroof is in, we are done.
Okay. Last question. Would you recommend a Polo 1.6 Millennium to someone today? If someone is watching this video thinking about buying one of these, would you recommend it?
Yeah, surely. If you are a guy and you want a Polo, Polo, and these are your first Polos. Before you go to Polos, the Polo 6, Polo GTI, from your first Polos.
Bonus question.
All right.
If you had the opportunity to sell this Polo tomorrow for money, take the money or keep the car?
I will keep the car, James. Unless you make a good offer, not knowing how much are you going to offer. But for now, there's no for sale, unfortunately.
So please go to your story now, like a guy on social media platforms, like if you have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.
Yeah, we're going to go Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Social media handle I go TikTok, it's Lebza_Mart, Lebza_A_Mart, and then go Facebook, same thing, and then go Instagram, same thing. Lebza Mart.
Yeah, I think done. Yeah, come back for part 2
for full review. If it late.
So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you. As you seen, that is the end of the video. So make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment your thought about the video, about the Belgium cheetah. How do you feel about that? So yeah, thank you for tuning in up until the end. So yeah, thank you.